Hello my lovely people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hi, my name is Indu. I make videos on makeup, skincare, haircare and lifestyle. And for today's video, I am going to be sharing with you all this nude makeup right here that I am wearing right now. It is going to be, as I always say, a very easy one. And I am actually planning to do a couple more wearable looks like these, because why not? And also one thing, please try to ignore my hair because my hair is having their own mood right now. I am trying to fix it but it is not happening, so I just left it as it is. So without wasting any more time, let's just get started with the video. I'm going to prime my face using Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer. It has a pink tint to it, so it instantly brightens the face really well. Then I'll move on to the concealer, and for that I'm using LA Girl Pro Conceal. It is in the shade Pure Beige. I'll just apply it on the areas where I have a little bit of pigmentation and dullness going on. It is actually a shade darker for me and also has peach undertone to it, which counteracts the dullness on my face and helps my foundation to sit on completely seamless. And then I'll move on to my foundation, and for that I'll be using Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation. It is in the shade 128 Warm Nude. I know it is looking a little bit lighter on my face, but that is because I use artificial lighting for my videos, and artificial lighting tends to do that, so don't worry, it is in my shade. Then I'm gonna move on to my blush, and for that I'll be using this shade. I'm really sorry because I do not have the shade name of the lipstick that I'm using as my blush, so that's why I showed you the shade. And then I'll move on to setting my face, and for that I'm using Wet n Wild contouring palette. It is in the shade Dulce de Leche, and since I'm at it, I'll also bronze up my face. If you don't have a bronzer yet, you want to try out a bronzer on your face, then what you could do is use a warm toned brown eyeshadow and use it as a bronzer, and then if you like it, then you can actually invest in a bronzer. And then I'm gonna spoolie my eyebrow hair and move on to my eyeshadow, and for that I'll be using that cool tone brown shade and apply it above my crease and blending it out really well. And then I'll take this warm tone brown shade and apply it like sort of all over my lid, and basically you are done. I told you it is going to be a really quick one. I'm also going to take that warm tone brown shade on my lower lash line just to balance out the eyeshadow look, and then I'll curl my lashes and apply 2 coats of mascara. And for that I'm using Maybelline Colossal Volume Express Mascara, and here what I'm doing is letting the first coat of mascara dry out completely and then going in with the second coat, so that way your lashes do not clump up. And I'll highlight my face using Nykaa Glow Getter highlighting palette. It is in the shade 24K Glam. I mixed both the shades and made like a third shade for myself, and basically just customized a highlighting shade for myself. And then I'll finish off the look using some lipstick, and I'm using the same lipstick that I used as my blush. Also, one thing I quickly wanted to ask you guys, like, are you guys preferring these kind of short videos, or would you like to see the long chatty ones that I used to do on my channel? Please let me know in the comment section below. And yes, that was it for today's video. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, then you know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.